Lahore city. Lahore is a city located in the provincial Punjab in Pakistan. Is the second largest city in Pakistan after Karachi and has a population of over 12 million people. Lahore is considered the calculator, historical and economic heart of Punjab and is now for its rich history, vibrant culture and delicious food. The city has a long and functioning history dating back over 1000 years. It was founded in the 11th century by the Ghaznavi dynasty and has since been ruled by a number of different empires and kingdoms, including the Mughal Empire, the Sikh Empire, and the British Raj. Lahore is home to a number of important calculator landmark and historical, including the Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, and Shalimar Gardens, all of which are UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city is also known for its museums, art galleries, and theaters, as well as its lively bazaars and street market. In recent years, Lahore has become a center of technology and innovation with a growing startup scene of a number of world-class university and research institutes. In the beautiful juices, in the views of roads, the beautiful parks, in the beautiful night of foods, in the different food, chicken, beef, delicious food in the beautiful of Lahore city, in the famous foods, in the Islamic country and Islamic city.